How to add music to Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add music to our Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To add music to Instagram story, simply open up the Instagram app and you will see this type of interface. Then just tap on the plus bar that you can find over here and then just select the story first of all that you want to add. Once you actually add all of your story and make all the changes, finally the last step, let's say for you to add a music, then you just have to look for the music icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. So tap on the music icon there, and over here you simply have to add a song that you want to add. So you can also choose to add a lyric in this case, or you can choose to add, let's say, a sticker like this. And once you add a sticker, you can also choose as to how long the video you want, and you can choose different section of the video over here. Then once done, you can tap on the done option, and then you will be able to basically add the song or the music in this case, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically add music to Instagram story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.